Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the continuation of our video discussion in Empowerment Technology. This is Module 2 of the first quarter, and this talks all about productivity tools. So this is Lesson 1, the word processing software. So in the last 6 videos, I presented to you on how to use the mail merge. And today, we are going to discuss and we're going to uh, perform on how to integrate illustrations in the word processor. So I know this topic is very familiar to all of you, but even though we still need to review everything. Okay, so an illustration in Microsoft Word is a visualization of drawing that is in the form of pictures, clip art, shapes, smart art, charts, or screen clippings. So you can insert illustrations easily by using the illustrations group of the insert tab. So meaning, again, let us have a short review. Kanita ng files nga naa-diri sa taas, no? Kaning home, insert, draw. So these are the so-called tabs. So in order to integrate or illustrations in a word processor, so you are going to click the insert tab. Okay. Then as you can observe, in the insert tab, okay, uh, excuse me. Okay. So in the insert tab, there is a certain group here. There are tables, illustrations, add-ins, media, comments. So we will focus on this area, the illustrations. So the first thing that we're going to do is to insert picture from a file. So in this case, I will create a new file, okay, for our demonstration. Okay. Okay, here I have a new file. Okay. So very basic. How to insert picture from a file. So click the area where you want to insert the picture in your document. So I have a picture inserted in your modules. So in this case, say for example you're typing here, this is my picture, or this is my profile, for example. This is my profile. Then you want to place your picture below this one. Let's say enter. So as you can observe, there is a cursor blinking here, meaning you want to insert your picture at this portion, or if you want, in between my and profile. So it's up to you. So move your cursor to the location where you want to insert the picture. Okay. Then, okay, proceed to the insert tab. Okay, insert tab. Then go to illustrations group. So this is now the illustration group. And then insert picture, and click pictures rather. So we have here pictures, online pictures. So when we say pictures lang, so meaning ang picture atong kuhaon from within your computer. No, nasulod sa computer. But when you say online, it requires an internet connection. So at this point, kato lang picture nga naa sa ato ang USB flash drives or naa mismo sa computer nato, so kanitong i-click. But if you want to search online, then click online pictures. Okay. So after that one, clicking picture here, so locate the picture that you want to insert. Okay, I will demonstrate here. So at this point, I will insert a picture. Okay, then I will locate asa ang picture na butang. So I have a picture here. Okay, this one. Then automatically, okay, the picture is then inserted. And then you can format your picture. So as you can observe, there are small circles in a picture. So one on the edge and the other one on the edge and one on the center. And then also here, sa taas, naapod. So meaning this area, kung imo na siyang i-move imong cursor dinhi, makita nimo na siya nga ang cursor mag-change. Meaning, pag i-click nimo na siya, you can adjust, you can resize. Na? You can resize the picture. Okay, this one also. Okay. You can resize this one. Depending on the size that you want to uh, depending on the size of the picture that you want to insert. Okay, there you go. As easy as that one. Then, as you can observe, if you are typing a message, typing a document, say for example, I will put some text here. Okay, this is just for this is just for demonstration purposes. So as you can observe, if you drag this one at this point, so mag-change siya. Okay, but you cannot control everything. So here, makita nga box layout options. If you click that one, there are text wrapping options. So this one is with the square. Okay, tight, through, over, in front of text, behind text, and we have top and bottom. So let us try with behind text. So if i-click nimo ang iyang layout option into behind text, then behind the text, as you can observe, ang text nasa ibabaw. Okay. If you want to change it to the in front of the text, then ang text matabunan. Okay? If you want this one, look at what happened. So, ibutan mo dire. Bisan pag ibutan mo sa kilid, dili, no? Budagan-dagan. Okay, and this one, let us let us try to explore. If you want to change this one, okay, okay, that one. And if you want to use this one, so it's up to you. Kung asaon mo na siya pag manipulate. So you can explore. Then you can also click the format shape. Okay, format shape. Then you can have here the color or the picture corrections. So if you are an artist, so you can customize, no, you can format your picture depending on your preference. Okay, that one. Then the shadow. So kung maayo kayo mo sa mga colors ug sa mga designs, then you are on your own. Transparency. So explore everything. So tawa na siya shadow, then na siya glow, buta na to glow. Pili ta sa presets. For example, this one. No? So you can explore here. Okay. Or double click again or right click format shape. So pwede po ka maka-change din i-click nimo. Mahimo siyang lingin, na? This one. Or this one. Oh, just click the okay. Moving on. Okay, I will delete everything. Okay, I will delete this one. Then the next item, after inserting picture from a file, okay, you can also insert a clip art. So ang clip art is quite the same with the pictures. So dire online pictures lang ang atong gamiton. So say for example, okay, I will insert a clip art. So sa online picture ko mangita. Then since I am connected to the internet, so I can get a clip art from online. So please wait while we load the pictures. Okay, let me check my internet connection. Okay. So just type unsay imong gustong pangitaan. Let's say, for example, bulb. Enter. Okay. So, depending on your internet speed, dahil manggawas din imo ang gipangita. Let's say, bulb. For example, this one. Then, click insert. Then, downloading picture. There you go. Then, resize the picture. Gamay kaayo. Taning pa. Gamihan pa gamay. No? Okay. So, you have now your bulb. Okay. So, that is how to insert clip art. So, ang clip art, diri na to kwaon sa online picture. Next. After that one, okay, na muna siya itong example na. So, just read your what you call module. Okay. Next, how to insert shapes. Okay. Ang shapes, simply lang, very self-explanatory. So, picture online shapes. Then, depending on the shapes that you want to use, okay. So, for example, this oval. Then, pag-click nimo sa picture or sa shape, any shape you want to insert, say for example, this is smiley, click, dili siya direktang mo reflect sa screen. Kung dili, makikita ka og plus nga cursor, click lang ka diha, then mag-drag lang dayong ka. Okay. Muna na imong smiley. Then, pwede nimo siyang i-layout, i-format nimo, kana imong gusto, or gusto nimong i-change ang color, ang outline gimuon nimong yellow, na? Then shape effect, the presets, depending kung sa imo ang gusto. That is how to insert the shapes. Okay. Next, we have smart art. Okay. An illustration group, insert tab, smart art na pod, na? So, smart art kasagaran gamit ni siya samot na sa mga kaning ang imong gi-type nga document nag-require og mga graphs, apila siya. Insert, then direta sa smart art. Okay. Mangita din ka danha og kuan mga templates, mga ready-made. Cycle, the water cycle, say for example, na kay water cycle, or for example, kinsay na earth and life science karon, the subsystems of the earth. The subsystems of the earth. So, enter ka dire sa text na kay the biosphere. The biosphere. Then, ang isa is the atmosphere na kay geosphere. Naapo ka dire hydrosphere. Then, may ka, unsa day nang sa atmosphere? It's all about air. It's all about water. It's all about land masses or land or rocks. On this one is all about life. Okay. And this is now your subsystem of Earth. Then you can customize. Okay. Depende kung sa imong style nga gusto. Something like that, na? So you can explore everything. You can also change the colors. As you can observe, there are colors here. As easy as that. Okay, that is inserting smart art. So I will cut the video at this point. So please watch the next video, the last part of our video discussion in lesson 1. Okay, good day everyone.